Y'all, it is Heckin' Tuesday, and today's tea is that shorthand is ridiculous, but also, like, I love it. I decided to learn shorthand because I thought it would be fun, and also I can take notes in college faster, maybe, if I master it before, then I have 2 months. But basically, so the idea behind shorthand, and this is Greg shorthand, there's a few different ones, which I didn't know there were different shorthands, but yeah, Pittman is really ugly, so I went with Greg. And those two seem to be the main ones. Anyway, so the first interesting thing about this type of shorthand is that it's phonetic. So this, I represent it with a K, but like because it makes the K sound. But if the word was spelled, like if it was cat spelled with a C, you would still use this symbol for the K part, or the K part. Same with the rest. So this is like a hard G. It's never going to be the J version of a G. It's always going to be G. J would be something else. Okay, so this is fine. And then also, because the point of shorthand is to write faster, so they have to condense everything as much as possible. So part of the way that they condense is that these letters, so this is the K, it can mean just the K sound, but it can also by itself mean the word can. So that's sort of interesting. The G is go or good, and so on. So I'm doing these practice sentences. Oh, there's my wire. Okay. To practice, right? So for example, this little circle is the E sound, the vowel, and then this is the K, so it's he can, because remember the K can mean can, and then this is the G, which can mean go, and this is there. It could also just be the sound, but it's there for long, and this is an N, so it can mean in, or not, but it's in here. And this is the dot. It can be an H, but when it's by itself, it's just like a or an, the article or whatever it's called. And this is R, and this is a period. Why this is the A/N and this is the period, I don't know why they didn't just switch them, but whatever. There must be a reason. So this is he can go there in an hour, period. Okay, that's pretty okay. So the one that made me stop and be like, wow, shorthand, you are crazy, I need to make this video, is this particular symbol, which it's a bunch of symbols strung together. So I'm like, okay, this circle means I, and notice this one was E, but this one is I because it's a bigger circle. So just to be clear there. And this line, the long line, is M. So it's I, M, and then this is a G, so it could be go. This dot puzzled me. I'm like, why is the dot there? I thought when the dot means an H, you put it on top of the letter, so it can't be an H, but what is it? So this is go N, because, so this is totally phonetic, right? So because that can mean A or N, so it's go in, going. I am going. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I love it. Lacey, I'll see you tomorrow.